Taking a longtail boat from Ko Lanta was definitely on the top of my list when visiting southern Thailand. The scenery along the way was absolutely breathtaking as we passed limestone rocks, small beaches, and fishermen along the way. What I didn't expect was a trip to Emerald Cave. We got off the longtail boat in some rough water with waves crashing against the rocks, then entered the dark cave. And when I say dark, I mean it. When the flashlights were turned off, the cave became pitch black, and you had 20 meters to go before reaching the other side. If you're scared of the dark, I recommend quickly swimming to the entrance so you're not stuck at the back of the pack like I was. Every time I looked behind me, I saw nothing but blackness. The cave opened up to a beautiful, secluded paradise that you can only reach by going through the cave.
Wow, it sounds really rough out there. Cause our God has some, looks like he's done with you. I don't know how.
So, if you're ever in Ko Lanta, southern Thailand, I highly recommend taking a longtail boat ride to Emerald Cave. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And check out my memoir titled Wildflower, A Tale of Transcendence. Ciao for now.